Hello guys, welcome, and today I'll be talking to you about USB zero delays. When you buy a zero delay, you'll generally want to buy one with a USB cable, otherwise it's pretty much a paperweight, and with some of these nice wire things that come with terminals, I guess, so that you can hook them up. On the right, you can see the USB zero delay. You can use this with momentary push switches and also with arcade sticks like this one, because this is technically just a momentary push. When you're hooking up wires, you simply want to figure out which end has the little metal thing and then align it with the metal piece in there. When you want to hook up a momentary toggle switch, you grab your toggle switch, these two wires. You can either just slide them in, which I like to do because it's less work and I'm lazy, or you can cut these off and use them and use the wires and wrap it around and solder, but I just like to do this because I'm lazy. After you plug in the USB cable, you'll want to hook it up to the computer. So what you're going to want to do is go to the home button, then press the little settings gear, or like saw blade, I don't know. Then you're going to want to go to devices, I think. Then you're going to want to go to devices and printers, I think. Then wait for it to load. You have a generic USB joystick. You want to go to game controller settings, properties, and then you can test your buttons. Button 1 works, button 2 works.